In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Evernote on Windows 11. Whether you're looking to free up space, troubleshoot an issue, or simply switch to a different note-taking application, uninstalling Evernote is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it, step by step. First, let's get started by accessing the Control Panel. This is a convenient tool where you can manage most system settings, including installed applications. To open the Control Panel, you'll want to use the Windows search feature. Simply press the Windows key, often found at the bottom of your keyboard, and while holding it, also press the S key. This shortcut brings up the search bar, allowing you to quickly find what you're looking for. Once the search bar is open, type in Control Panel. You should see it listed in the search results. Go ahead and select it, and the Control Panel window will pop up. It may look a little different depending on how your settings are configured, but don't worry, we'll navigate it together. Inside the Control Panel, you'll see various options. What we want to focus on is Programs. So, click on the section titled Programs. This section allows you to view, change, or remove software and apps on your computer, giving you control over what's installed. Next, within the Programs section, you'll find a link that says Programs and Features. Click on this link. It's a crucial step because it will take you to the area where all your currently installed programs are listed. Now, in this next window, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the programs currently installed on your computer. Scroll through this list until you find Evernote. Depending on how many programs you have installed, this might take a moment, but scrolling through for a bit should help you locate it without too much hassle. Once you've found Evernote in the list, right-click on it. A small pop-up menu will appear with several options. Select Uninstall from this menu. By doing this, you're initiating the uninstallation process for Evernote. After you select Uninstall, Windows will guide you through the uninstallation process with a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. Typically, the system will confirm that you want to remove the application, and you might need to agree to some additional terms. It's all pretty straightforward, designed to ensure you actually want to remove the software and that nothing else is in the way. Once you've followed all the prompts and completed the uninstallation process, Evernote will be removed from your system. You've just successfully uninstalled Evernote from Windows 11, freeing up some space on your computer. Great job following along. If you have any more tech tips or need help with other applications, don't hesitate to reach out or check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.